Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit Instagram photos in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here we can get started with opening up the photos that we want to edit, either by going into the camera roll section right here at the bottom of the screen or into the gallery option. So let's go and take a look at what to do and how to edit Instagram photos after inputting them and importing them into FaceApp. So once you've opened up your photo that you want to upload to Instagram, that you want to edit, you can go ahead and tap on it right here and it's going to open it up in editor mode, from where we can get started with using the edit options we have. So we can get started with using impressions and filters like skin smoothing, as you can see right here at the bottom of the screen. That's going to make our skin smoother for our Instagram photos. Then we can go ahead and use makeup application and so on, everything that's going to enable us to go ahead and edit our photos. So go ahead and edit it however you prefer, and once we have done that, we can go back to save the image. So here in the upper right corner you have the save option. Once you click on save, it's going to enable you to save your picture to your device and to your gallery, and after that you're going to have the share option. So once you have saved the photo to your device, you can upload it to Instagram normally like any other photo with the edits applied, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.